Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Huningkloof, Claimant, Western Cape, South Africa for R2,550,000. Absolutely spectacular, prime property and fantastic opportunity. This home has it all, from the huge garage and store areas to the ample living areas. The back garden a must-see. Corner plot, garaging for 4 vehicles with extra spacious workroom, an outside bathroom and beautiful mountain views. Distant sea views. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, big, study workroom, lounge with bay window, dining room with bay window and views on the mountain, kitchen, laundry, TV room, sunroom with sliding doors to the back garden. Safe parking for up to 3 vehicles at the back of the house. Very neat and tidy, worth a view. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.